Some of the most powerful decisions in the world are not made in offices or public buildings. They are made inside private residences designed not just for living, but for influence control and long-term dominance. These homes are not displays of luxury. They are strategic environments where power is protected, relationships are shaped, and wealth is directed quietly. In this video, you will discover how private residences function like fortresses of influence. Like and subscribe to continue exploring how real power is built beyond public view. 1. More than a home. Private residences of elite individuals are designed to serve multiple functions beyond comfort. They operate as strategic centers where business, political, and financial decisions occur discreetly. These spaces are engineered to support meetings, negotiations, and long-term planning without external interference. Unlike public venues, private residences offer total control over access, atmosphere, and timing. This transforms a home into a command environment. Influence grows strongest where privacy and authority intersect. 2. Architecture as strategy. The physical design of these residences is intentional. Layouts emphasize separation layers and controlled movement. Entrances are limited, sight lines are managed, and spaces are divided to maintain privacy and security. Architecture supports influence by shaping interaction and minimizing vulnerability. Rooms are positioned to allow confidential conversations without disruption. The structure itself enforces hierarchy and order. Design decisions reflect strategic thinking rather than aesthetic trends. Architecture becomes a silent partner in maintaining control and authority. 3. Security integrated into lifestyle. Security is not added after construction. It is embedded into the residence from the foundation upward. Surveillance, access control, and perimeter protection operate quietly without disrupting daily life. These systems allow residents to function freely while remaining protected. True influence requires safety without visibility. Security that draws attention defeats its purpose. Integrated systems allow powerful individuals to host guests, conduct meetings, and live normally while maintaining complete situational awareness. Protection becomes invisible but constant. 4. Controlled access equals power. Who enters a space determines what information flows within it. Elite residences strictly control access through layers of permission and protocol. Not everyone meets the same people or sees the same spaces. This control shapes relationships and limits exposure. Power increases when access is intentional. Private residences allow influence to be exercised selectively. Meetings happen on the owner's terms. This asymmetry creates leverage. Controlled access transforms hospitality into strategy. 5. Location as a shield. These residences are often placed in locations chosen for discretion rather than visibility. Natural barriers, distance, and isolation reduce intrusion and observation. Location itself acts as a defensive layer. Elite buyers understand that influence requires insulation from noise and distraction. Quiet surroundings enable focus and long-term thinking. Location supports security, mobility, and privacy simultaneously. Strategic placement protects influence before any system is activated. 6. Psychological advantage. Private residences create psychological leverage. Guests entering these environments subconsciously recognize authority and control. The setting communicates stability, permanence, and confidence without words. Influence is reinforced through atmosphere. When discussions occur In controlled familiar territory, the host holds advantage. Comfort combined with dominance shapes outcomes. These environments are calibrated to encourage openness from others while protecting the owner. Psychological control is subtle but powerful. 7. Information management. Influence depends on managing information. Private residences allow conversations to occur away from recording, surveillance, and public exposure. Information shared remains contained. Elite individuals protect data relationships and intentions by choosing private spaces. This containment preserves advantage. Leaks weaken influence. Silence strengthens it. Residences function as information vaults where strategy can develop without interference. Control over information flow is control over outcomes. 8. Long-term continuity. Unlike offices that change with roles, or companies' private residences remain constant over decades, this continuity allows relationships and influence to compound over time. The residence becomes a known, trusted environment. Long-term continuity builds reputation stability and institutional memory. Influence grows stronger when rooted in place. These homes become landmarks of authority within private networks. Stability reinforces power. 9. Separation from public systems. Private residences reduce reliance on public infrastructure. Independent utilities, secure communications, and private access routes ensure autonomy. Separation protects influence during uncertainty. When systems fail, independence becomes power. Elite residences are designed to operate without interruption. This resilience ensures continuity of decision-making. Independence preserves authority when external conditions change. 10. Power without exposure. The most effective influence operates quietly. Private residences allow power to function without public display. Decisions are made, relationships are shaped, and assets are directed without attention. Exposure invites resistance. Silence invites control. These fortresses of influence are not hidden by chance. They are designed to allow power to grow unnoticed until its effects become unavoidable. True authority does not seek visibility. It secures position first. Private residences that function like fortresses of influence reveal how real power is structured, protected, and sustained. They are not about luxury or status, but about control, privacy, and long-term advantage. These spaces allow influence to grow quietly while remaining resilient to disruption. If you want to continue understanding how elite environments shape global decisions, then like and subscribe so you never miss insights into how power truly operates behind closed doors.